Certainly, in Tally Prime, creating a journal voucher involves recording non-cash transactions and adjustments. Here is how you can create a journal voucher in Tally Prime. Open Tally Prime. Start by opening Tally Prime and loading the company for which you want to create the journal entry. Navigate to Vouchers. From the main screen, Gateway of Tally, navigate to the Accounting Vouchers section. You can find this section in various ways, such as using the right-hand panel or using keyboard shortcuts. Select Journal Voucher. In the Accounting Vouchers section, locate and select F7, Journal to create a new journal voucher. Enter details. A journal voucher typically involves debiting and crediting multiple ledger accounts. Enter the following details for each entry. Debit side. Time select the first ledger account to be debited. Times enter the amount. Times provide any additional narration or remarks. Credit side. Times select the second ledger account to be credited. Times enter the amount. Times provide any additional narration or remarks. You can repeat these steps for additional entries if needed. Ensure balance. The total debit amount and the total credit amount entered must match to balance the journal voucher. Tally Prime will automatically calculate and display the difference if the amounts don't match. Accept and save. Once you have entered all the necessary details and ensured that the voucher balances, you can accept and save the journal voucher. Tally Prime will record the entry in your company's ledger accounts. Provide narration. In a journal voucher, it's common to provide a brief narration or description of the reason for the entry. This can help you and others understand the purpose of the transaction. Printing or viewing. After saving the journal voucher, you can print a copy for your records or view it later if needed.